it's your girl Camille Kostek, and I have you in the kitchen with me. You've heard me talk about this brand before. I am in love with Cedar's. This has been a long time coming. I'm very excited about this partnership because I have been eating their hummus for years, and so I'm here to show you my go-to easy, no-bake recipes from morning to night to all the snacking in between and how I incorporate their different kinds of hummus and dips into my meals. So let's get to it. So when I wake up in the morning, sometimes I'll have an omelet. It'll usually consist of eggs, spinach, avocado, tomato, bell peppers. I sprinkle a little feta in there, and then I'll just put a dollop of Cedar's original hummus on the side and have at it. My go-to midday snacks are usually some garden fresh vegetables chopped up like carrots, cucumbers, celery sticks, snap peas, and my favorite dips of Cedar's are their spinach dip. Their tzatziki is amazing. And my personal favorite, the original organic hummus. Pack it up in the cooler, take it on the road when I'm gone all day, or it's just at home ready for me to go. Crackers, chips, whatever you love to dip, it works, I'm telling you. One of my favorite dinners to make is a veggie burger with sweet potato on the side, and on this veggie burger, of course, I'm going with the Cedar's Original. Spread on top a couple of sliced avocados, a couple of greens, sprinkle a little Himalayan salt. Mwah! So yummy! Do not worry, Cedar's has our back. They even have a dessert hummus. Let me introduce you to the dark chocolate hummus. I love to take this as a late night snack, dip some sliced apples into it, or some graham crackers. Oh my goodness, so yummy. I'm definitely going to eat this after. For lunch, I'm going to be showing you my Cedar's specialty sandwich. I make this anytime someone comes over to the house. Whenever Rob is around, he always requests this. All right, so to get started, you just need to grab 2 slices of your favorite kind of bread. I like to include feta, extra virgin olive oil, avocado, spinach, Cedar's Original hummus, tomatoes, a little dash of pink Himalayan salt, some pepper, cucumber, carrots, and I think that's everything. I'm going to take my bread, I'm going to pop it into the toaster. I love the way that the hummus kind of melts onto it when the bread is warmed up. While that's in there, I'm going to take some of the carrots I've already peeled and just chop them up nice and thin. Sometimes I like to put the carrots on chopped up really small, or I will create some carrot shreds. Next, I'm going to grab the cucumber. I already peeled one up here to make this a little bit quicker. And just going to put them up. Wow, I love the smell of garden fresh vegetables. Yummy. Sorry, I'm eating in front of you. So good. And then usually what I'll do is I'll use just a couple of slices to put on the sandwich. And then you just cut them in half, create some cucumber sticks. Tip for later. All right, so we have some cucumbers on deck and some carrots. I washed a couple of these cherry tomatoes. I'm going to slice these up. The toast is ready to roll. Perfect timing. Because everything else we just have to place right on to the sandwich. All right, I'm going to grab this. All right, bread is out, nice and warmed up. Right away, I'm going to grab the hummus and spread it on to the bread while it's still warm. Like I said, I love the way that the hummus just melts onto the bread. Next, I'm going to grab my avocado. I got lucky, this one is ready to go. Takes a couple of slices. You can just keep it sliced on there. I personally like to mash them up. Look at this, mashed up so beautifully. The avocado right on top of the hummus. Next, I'm going to take some of my spinach. This avocado and this hummus is like glue. It's gonna keep that on there. Always find a way to fit in your greens. Next, I'm going to take my cucumbers, add those thin slices on there. Take some of my thin sliced carrots, add these on. Again, I also like to add carrot shreds on there sometimes. Today, I'm going to eat them like this. Add that crunch. Take my tomatoes, add those on. I love feta, so I'm going to grab some feta, sprinkle it on. Yummy, yummy. I'm going to take my extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to drizzle it over top. Pinch of pink Himalayan salt. I always love to add Himalayan salt as much as I can into my meals. Such a healthy way to add flavor. And then I'm going to take a pinch of ground pepper, sprinkle, sprinkle, and here we go. You can enjoy this as an open-faced toast, or you can close it up, slice it down the middle, and enjoy the sandwich just like that. Put a little chips on the side, and that is your healthy, yummy Cedar's specialty sandwich. Bon appetit. I'm about to enjoy. Oh my goodness. I had to come closer to show you our delicious masterpiece. Look at those healthy greens. It tastes so good. It's almost like it isn't healthy with that yummy, warm Cedar spread inside of the sandwich. You guys, I wanna see you making your sandwich, how you love it with your favorite ingredients. Tag Cedars, tag me. We wanna see it. You know I'll repost it. Bon appetit. See you next time.